Or should I say girls? And I mean ladies and gentlemen. Hi guys! Welcome back to Reika's YouTube channel.
What are we going to be doing today?
Kayla's gonna do Reika's makeup today. And at the end we're gonna do some judging, so hold on to your eyes and mouths, because you have to get some experience. See how it looks. See if it's cute or beautiful. Do all that, girls, boys, and like it, say cool, anything you want. So I'm gonna let Reika talk for a minute.
Okay, thank you, Caleb. Alright, so you heard it there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I have Kayla back for another video. So nice. The first time we had to do it a second time. If you haven't seen that first video, definitely check it out. I will leave a link somewhere in this one for you, so you can go over and see the first video and then come back and watch the second video to see how well she has improved. And at the end of my little makeover, Caleb, that's Kayla's brother, younger brother, he'll come back and he will be the judge. So if you have some time and you want to see how my face turns out, definitely stick around.
So first I'm going to start by priming her face with the Fenty Beauty foundation primer.
Ooh.
I've been practicing doing makeup on my mom because she went to 2 concerts and I did her makeup for that, and she went to her friend's wedding and I did her makeup for that too, so I think that I've improved a lot. After I put the primer on, I am going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm going to apply it with the foundation brush. Now I am going to use a ColourPop No Filter Concealer and put it on the high points of her face. I don't know how pigmented it is, so I don't want to do what I did last time.
So a little at a time.
Yeah. I'm going to go onto eyes with, no, setting powder.
Setting powder. That's that one here.
Okay. Put a little bit on the forehead. Under the eyes so you don't get creases. Okay, let's touch it.
So tell them what you're doing now.
I'm taking some of the Fabulous on like a fluffy brush so I can contour her face. Okay, so now that I did contour, I'm going to blush. I'm going to use this one right here. I'll swatch it. That's how it looks.
So what comes next, girl?
I want to do the eyes now. I don't want to go crazy like I did last time.
So with a light hand.
I'm going to put a shimmer down and then I'm going to deepen it up with a matte.
Okay.
Which is the wrong order, but it works. So I'm going to take some of that on my brush. So it's on. I'm going to go too close to the brow. I'll fix that. Okay.
What?
I did too much, but I can fix it.
It just blend it out.
Now I'm going to take this color in the palette, which is this one right here. Some of that.
Ooh.
Tap it off. And I'm going to just So I'm going to do her other eye off camera and then we'll be back. I picked out a lip that I think will go with the look and I'm going to line it. Wait, this is from Anastasia. I knew that. I just had to check. And I'm using a lip pencil by NK Makeup. I'm going to pack on some onto the brush. It looked like it was a color.
Yeah,
that one it looks like it's
okay.
like this glow. I think. Am I done? Is this the same bottle you had last time?
I think it is. Might be a bigger one.
Should I put it, like, press it in? That's what
if that's what you like to do.
Yeah. So this is the finished look. She has blinding highlighter. I love the eyes. And I want you guys, everyone that's watching, to comment down below to rate it from 1 to 10. 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, 5 being okay. And I would give myself a 10 out of 10. I think I did good and improved a lot from last time.
I think you did really good this time around.
Yeah.
Big improvement from the last one. What do you guys think?
So we're going to call my brother back so he can rate it. Caleb!
Now it's time to rate the face, guys.
I gave it a 10 out of 10.
And I think she did really good too. So let us know what you think of the finished face.
So,
From
I think you have to be in
you have to
frame
be in
now.
the frame. What would you rate her makeup?
So look.
A few moments later.
Okay.
So, like a 5 out of 10?
No.
1 out of 10, what do you give it? 10 being the highest, 5 being middle, and 1 being low.
This will I give you a 10 out of 10.
Oh, you got 10 out of 10. Thank you,
Goodbye.
not yet. Yes, so give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if it's your first time here and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
I'll see you in the third video.